After many miles, we arrived at the Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge. I like looking at birds, and a bird refuge is a great place to look at birds. The best kind of birds to look at are shorebirds standing still in the water. You have lots of time to get confused and try to figure out what they are. Here we are at the beginning bird watcher section of the bird refuge. Notice the variety of birds posing for all the beginning bird watchers. This bird is exactly like a red-winged blackbird, except for the fact it doesn't have any red on its wings and has a yellow face, and come to think of it, it has some white spots on its wings also. Other than that, it's exactly the same as a red-winged blackbird. This elegant bird delights in challenging all the bird watchers to a one-legged standing contest. The bird almost always wins. This is a blackbird, but it's definitely not a crow. Look at how long those legs and beak are. Also, it doesn't constantly express its opinions and disdain for bird watchers. Here's the local team of pelicans practicing for their upcoming synchronized swimming and eating competition. A bird refuge is great, but it was time to get on the road again and see the next thing. Please like and subscribe if you have not already done so.